What is a rain gutter? What do they do? Rain gutters are channels along roof edges that collect and divert rainwater away from homes, safeguarding foundations, preventing basement flooding, and preserving exterior surfaces. They also protect landscaping and the property's overall appearance by preventing soil erosion. Properly maintained gutters enhance a home's structural integrity, avoiding water-related damage. Understanding rain gutters involves recognizing their design, purpose, and materials. Professional installation, sizing, and regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspections, are crucial for their effectiveness. Advanced features like gutter guards and drainage solutions can improve their performance. When choosing gutters, consider material, size, style, budget, and local climate. Professional consultation ensures proper fitting. For environmental consciousness, eco-friendly materials and rainwater harvesting are options. Rain gutters play a vital role in a home's longevity and should be chosen, installed, and maintained carefully.